PCBs are very important for any electronics project. You can see a printed PCB on the screen, and today I will discuss how to design this PCB using EasyEDA software. So hi guys, welcome to another video of Tech Studio. For more videos related to technology, please stay connected with us. This is a homemade PCB and this is a printed PCB. The printed one is more compact and small in size. It looks more professional compared to the homemade PCB. In this video, I will show you how to design a professional PCB using EasyEDA software. So let's get started. At first, you have to open the Google Chrome and then you have to search the EasyEDA software. Now go to the official website of EasyEDA software. The interface of EasyEDA looks like this. Now you have to create a new account on EasyEDA. You can see I already logged in with my existing account. After creating an account, click on the designer mode from here. A new window will come in front of you. Now go to the top left corner and select the files. Then create a new project. A new window will open. Here you have to write the project name. I am giving it as demo project. If you want, you can write the description of the project and then click on the save. A new window will come in front of you where you have to design the required circuit. Here I will design a demo circuit with Arduino and some LEDs. At the left side you can see different options. From here you have to choose the library option. A small window will come to you. Here you have to search the necessary components for your circuit. I am selecting the Arduino. Now click on the place button to place the component in the given sheet. Again I am searching the LED from the library. Then I place it on the given sheet. You can rearrange the component to make your circuit more clear and simple. Also, you can change the name of the components if needed. Now you have to make the connections between the components. For this, you have to use this toolbox. To do the wiring between the components, you have to select the wire option. Then do the connection between the components. Now I need some resistors for my circuit. So I visited this inbuilt library of EasyEDA and select the resistor of 1 kilo ohm. Now I rearrange the resistors in the given sheet for further connection. You can see I have done the connections between the components. Now go to the files and save the project. After designing the circuit, you have to convert it into PCB. Go to the design tab and select convert schematic to PCB. A new window will come in front of you. Here you can see different options like units, copper layer and board outline. Also you can change the width and height of PCB. Here I am selecting the specific option from the drop down menu. And I am selecting the round rectangular board for this project. Then click on apply. Now on the screen you can see the outline of the PCB. Drag and drop the components inside the outline. Rearrange the components inside the outline. Now you have to do the routing for the components. Go to the root tab and then select auto routing. Now run the local auto router in the background and start routing. Here you can see the routing is done. Now you have to add the copper area in the both layer of the PCB. At first you have to select the top layer and then select the copper area tool. Keep it as ground and then draw a square around the PCB. Now you can see the copper area is added in the top layer. Similarly, you have to add the copper area for the bottom layer. You can also write some text in the PCB. For example, I am writing a text in the PCB. Then select the text and edit the properties. To make the text visible on the PCB, you have to select the top silk layer from the drop-down menu. Then edit the height and the length of the text. Rearrange the text in the PCB. Now you can see the text is clearly visible on the PCB. Similarly, you can add more text in your PCB. To make the holes in the PCB, you have to select the holes option from the toolbox. Then place it on the PCB where you want to make the holes. Now our PCB design is almost complete. You can take a 3D look of the PCB. Also, you can change the color from the drop-down menu. The last and the final step is to generate the Gerber file of the PCB. For this, you have to click on the Fabrication tab and then you have to select the PCB fabrication file. Now check the DRC. If everything is fine, a new window will come in front of you. At the bottom, you can see Generate Gerber. Click on it to download the Gerber file. Now you can order the PCB from JLC PCB or PCBWay by using this Gerber file.